Here we go. Let's go, let's go. Offense, defense, let's go. Hey, baby. Hey, boy, Abdu. Come on, you got to still run. Talk and run, talk and run. Points, 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 points. Let's go. What's up, Avery? How you doing, man? You all right? Jack, what's happening, man?
Hey, Coach.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
How's those pads feel?
Bit different.
Huh?
Bit different.
Come on, got to get it going. Got to get it going. Let's go. Come on, Henley. Let's have a good day, man. My boy, Raquan. Jet, 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 jet. Let's go. On the hop, on the hop, on the hop. 55 seconds right there. That's the scoreboard. Hey, you got one timeout.
Hey, Juice Boys on me, Juice Boys on three. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Juice Boys. Come on, ride. Let's ride.
Good. Only good. Good.
Oh, my Lord.
Good. Come on, Cody, scoot up.
There you go, Black.
Yep.
Hey, finish it. Hey, that was a good move, bro.
Yeah, it was.
Good, baby. There you go, there. Don't touch them. Man, if you miss one time.
We got some good water.
Every time. 45 yards a pop, baby.
They can't stop me, even if they stop me.
Be strong, you say keep pushing, be strong.
Keep pushing.